हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे बीफार्म प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन को लेके। तो टोटल फर्स्ट पार्ट है बायोलॉजी का। इसमें टोटल 75 क्वेश्चन है। 75 क्वेश्चन से 2012 का ये क्वेश्चन है। प्रीवियस ईयर का 2012 का क्वेश्चन है ये। तो शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। The blood of cockroach contains no respiratory pigment. It means that option A, respiration is anaerobic. Cockroach does not respire. Oxygen goes directly into tissues by diffusion. Oxygen goes into tissue by intracellular capillary system. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ऑक्सीजन गोज डायरेक्टली इनटू टिश्यूज बाय डिफ्यूजन. Next question. Which part of an animal virus is not reproduce multiple copies? Option is capsid, proteins, envelope, ribosomes. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी. Which part of an animal virus is not reproduce multiple copies. Correct option is option C, envelope. Next question. The echinoderms are option is arboreal insects, marine animals, terrestrial insects, freshwater animals. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, मेरीन एनिमल्स. द एकाइनोडर्म्स आर मेरीन एनिमल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आर्बोरबाइटी इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ. ऑप्शन इज ग्रे मैटर, व्हाइट मैटर, न्यूरोग्लियल सेल, ऑल ऑफ दिस. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, व्हाइट मैटर. आर्बोरबाइटी is composed of white matter. Next. During unfavorable condition, the sponges form. Option is cyst, spicules, encyst, gemmules. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, gemmules. During unfavorable condition, the sponges form gemmules. Next question number 6. Imago is the young one of. Option is beetle, butterfly, housefly, mosquito. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, हाउसफ्लाई. इमागो इज द यंग वन ऑफ हाउसफ्लाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7. Prolonged deficiency of thiamine in human diet may lead to. Option is pellagra, बेरी एनीमिया, हेमोरेज. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, विटामिन B1. आप लोगों को मालूम होगा तो विटामिन B1 जो होता है, विटामिन B1 इसका जो केमिकल नेम है थियामाइन. और डिजीज जो होता है वो बेरी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 8. इफ adenohypophycectomy is done in adult, then which of the following is the correct statement for this action? Option is gigantism, it affects testes and ovary, acromegaly, BMR will affect. तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, BMR will affect. क्वेश्चन फिर से एक बार देख लीजिए. If adenohypophycectomy is done in adult, then which of the following is the correct statement for this action? Option D is correct, BMR will affect. BMR means basal metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate will affect. और थायरॉक्सिन बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट जो होता है जो है ये थायरॉक्सिन कंट्रोल करता है। ये थायरॉक्सिन कंट्रोल द बेसल BMR बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 9, termites digest cellulose due to the presence of which symbiont in small intestine। तो इसका जो ऑप्शन है ट्राइकोनिम्फा सेफाल्यूरोस स्टेफाइलोकोकस यूरियस सैल्मोनेला टाइफिमुरियम। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट ट्राइकोनिम्फा। टर्माइट digest cellulose due to the presence of which symbiont in small intestine? Option A is correct, trichonympha. Next, question 10, which of the following is the actual genetic part of a sperm? Option is tail, head, whole of it, middle of piece। तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, हेड। Head is the actual genetic part of a sperm. Next question, balanced diet should have approximately। Option is, इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, 1/5 प्रोटीन, 1/5 फैट्स, 3/5 carbohydrates। Balanced diet should have approximately half protein, half fats, and 3/5 carbohydrates। Next question 12, arteries are, option is thin walled and blood flows under high pressure। Option B, thick walled and blood flows under high pressure। C, thick walled and blood flows under diminished pressure। thin walled and blood flows under diminished pressure। तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, थिक वॉल एंड ब्लड फ्लोज अंडर हाई प्रेशर। आर्टरीज आर थिक वॉल एंड ब्लड फ्लोज अंडर हाई प्रेशर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, द विटामिन्स व्हिच वी मस्ट डेली कंज्यूम शुड बी। ऑप्शन इज फैट सोल्यूबल, वाटर सोल्यूबल, ईथर सोल्यूबल, अल्कोहल सोल्यूबल। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, वाटर सोल्यूबल। वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन जो होता है विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड सी, विटामिन वाटर सोल्यूबल विटामिन। फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन ए, डी, ई एंड के फैट सोल्यूबल होता है, और वाटर सोल्यूबल के लिए विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड सी होता है सिर्फ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 14, द प्लेसेंटा ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स बिलोंग टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ। ऑप्शन इज हेमोकोरियल, सिंडेस्मोकोरियल, एंडोथेलियोकोरियल, एपिथेलियोकोरियल। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, हेमोकोरियल। द प्लेसेंटा ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स बिलोंग टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ हेमोकोरियल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंटामीबा हिस्टोलाइटिका हैज, ऑप्शन इज 4 parapodia formed by cytoplasm, pseudopodia formed only of cytoplasm, the sexual reproduction of primitive type, pseudopodia which are divided into sol and gel parts। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, एंटामीबा हिस्टोलाइटिका हैज pseudopodia formed only of cytoplasm। Next, question 16, mitosis is the process by which eukaryotic cell, option is grow, multiply, expose the genes for protein synthesis, become specialized in structure and function। So, option B is correct, multiply। Mitosis is the process by which eukaryotic cells multiply। Next question 17, which of the following blood vessels in circulatory system of frog has more deoxygenated blood? Option is pulmonary artery, precaval veins, pulmocutaneous artery, pulmocutaneous arc. Option D is correct, pulmocutaneous arc. Which of the following blood vessel is circulatory system of frog has more deoxygenated blood? Option D is correct, pulmocutaneous arc. Next question 18. The hormone which is related to the urine concentration in mammals is, option is antidiuretic hormone, oxytocin hormone, testosterone hormone, all of the above. Option A is correct, antidiuretic hormone. The hormone which is related to the urine concentration in mammals is antidiuretic hormone. Next question 19. The humoral immune system defends mostly against bacteria and viruses in the, option is body fluids, digestive tract, internal organs, regions beneath the skin. Option A is correct, body fluids. The humoral immune system defends mostly against bacteria and viruses in the body fluids. Option A is correct. Next. Question 20. Antiamoeba differs from amoeba in the absence of. Antiamoeba differs from amoeba in the absence of nucleus, plasma lemma, pseudopodia, contractile vacuole. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, contractile vacuole. Antiamoeba differs from amoeba in the absence of contractile vacuole. Next question 21. Stomach in vertebrates is the chief site of the digestion of. Option is fats, proteins, carbohydrates, all of these. Option B is correct, proteins. Stomach in vertebrates is the chief site for the digestion of proteins. Next question 12. Next question 22. The defective condition of accommodation of the eye in which distant objects are clearly seen but near objects are indistinct is. Option is myopia, presbyopia, astigmatism, hypermetropia. Presbyopia, B is correct. The defective condition of accommodation of the eye in which distant object are clearly seen by near objects are indistinct. Option B, presbyopia. Question 23. The percentage of hemoglobin in RBC is. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, 34%. The percentage of hemoglobin in RBC is 34%. Next question 24. Cristae are associated with which of the following? Option is cytoplasm, protoplasm, mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, mitochondria. Cristae are associated with which of the following? Mitochondria. Option C is correct. Next question. In humans, which of the following is a sex-linked disease? इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, हेमोफिलिया. In humans, which of the following is a sex-linked disease? Hemophilia is correct. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in humans? Option is ear, pinna, knee bone, nictitating membrane, mammary glands in males. Option C is correct, nictitating membrane. Vestigial organ in humans, correct option is nictitating membrane. Next 27. Hind wings of mosquitoes are termed as. Option is coxa, elytra, halteras, tentorium. Correct option is option C is correct, halters. Hind wings of mosquito are termed as halters. Next Diabetes 28, question number 28. Diabetes insipidus is caused due to excess of insulin, hypersecretion of pituitary hormone, deficiency of insulin, hyposecretion of pituitary hormone. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, hyposecretion of pituitary hormone. Diabetes insipidus is caused due to hyposecretion of pituitary hormone. Next, question 29. Enterokinase converts, option is starch to maltose, fats to glycerol, trypsinogen to trypsin, proteins to amino acid. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, trypsinogen to trypsin. Enterokinase converts trypsinogen to trypsin. Next, question 30. Male genital aperture of earthworm is located in the segment. Option is 13, 14, 19, 18. Option D is correct, 18. Next, question 31. Which of the following does not have any alimentary canal? Option is frog, taenia, ascaris, earthworm. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, taenia. Taenia does not have any alimentary canal. Next, question 32. Which of the following sense organs present in ascaris are gustatoreceptors and are located in ventrolateral lobes? Option is amphids, pineal acetae, pineal spicules, copulatory bursa. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, एम्फीड्स. Which of the following sense organs present in ascaris are gustatoreceptors and are located in ventrolateral lobes? Option A is correct, amphids. Next question. Which of the following belongs to anthozoa? Option is Eurelia, Fungia, Startuleria, Dugesia. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, फंजिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 34. Encysting of muscles is called fascia, kidney, heart, blood. Correct option is option A, fascia. Encysting of muscles is called fascia. Next, question 35. White fiber is found in skin, bones, collagen, muscles. Correct option is option C. White fibers is found in collagen. 36. Cleavage is a unique form of mitotic cell division in which? Option is cleavage is a unique form of mitotic cell division in which? Option is there is no growth of cells, the nucleus does not participate, no spindle develops to guide the cells, the plasma membrane of daughter cells do not separate. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, देयर इज नो ग्रोथ ऑफ सेल. फिर से देखते हैं, क्लीवेज इज ए यूनिक फॉर्म ऑफ माइटोटिक सेल डिवीजन इन व्हिच? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, देयर इज नो ग्रोथ ऑफ सेल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 37. Sponges capture food particles. Sponges capture food particles with the help of pinacocytes, coenocytes, thyzocytes, trophocytes. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, coenocytes. Sponges capture food particles with the help of coenocytes. Next question 38. The presence of two types of nuclei. The presence of two types of nuclei, a macronucleus and a micronucleus, is a characteristic of some protozoans which are grouped under the class. Option is Ciliata, Flagellata, Sporozoa, Sarcodina. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, Ciliata. The presence of two types of nuclei, a macronucleus and a micronucleus, is a characteristic of some protozoans which are grouped under the class of Ciliata. Next, Question 39. Trilobites were evolved during which of the following period? Option is Silurian, Cambrian, Ordovician, Precambrian. Option B is correct, Cambrian. Trilobites were evolved during which of the following period? Option B is correct, Cambrian. Question 40. Gamma globulins are synthesized inside liver, kidney, bone marrow, lymph and lymphoid tissue. इसका जो correct option है option D is correct. Lymph and lymphoid tissue. Gamma globulins are synthesized inside lymph and lymphoid tissue. Next. Which of the following are most abundant types of antibodies? Most abundant types of antibodies. Option is IgA, IgE, IgG, IgM. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, IgG. Next question 42. Infection of Entamoeba histolytica is caused by kissing, contaminated food, living alone, wearing clothes of patient. Infection of Entamoeba histolytica is caused by option B is correct, contaminated food. Next question 43. Example of an aggregate fruit is aggregate fruit. Example of an aggregate fruit is option C is correct, Anaena squamosa. Question 44. Alluron layer helps in growth, nutrition, protection, water absorption. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी, न्यूट्रिशन. Alluron layer helps in nutrition. Question 45. Tapeworm is found in anther, microspore, male gametophyte, female gametophyte. So the correct option is option A is correct, anther. Tapeworm is found in option A, anther. Next 46. Law of limiting factor was given by. Law of limiting factor given by option is Lebesgue, Mayer, Arnold, Blackman. Option D is correct, Blackman. Law of limiting factor was given by Blackman. Question 47. Parachute mechanism of seed dispersal does not occur in guava, sunflower, physalis, calotropis. Option A is correct, guava. 47. Parachute mechanism of seed dispersal does not occur in guava. Option A is correct. Next 48. Diodelphus condition is found in rosa, pisum, hibiscus, brassica. Correct option is option B, pisum. Diodelphus condition is found in pisum. Next question. Cell wall of bacteria is composed of. Option is lipids, lipoprotein, complex lipids, mucopeptide. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, म्यूकोपेप्टाइड. Cell wall of bacteria is composed of mucopeptide. Next question 50. The chemical compound produced by the host plants to protect themselves against fungal infection is phytotoxin, pathogen, phytoalexin, hormone. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, phytoalexin. The chemical compound produced by the host plants to protect themselves against fungal infection is phytoalexin. Question 51. Which is not related to niche? Surrounding species, habitat, food source, none of these. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ दिस, कोई भी नहीं है ऊपर में, इज रिलेटेड टू नीड्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 52. Anaerobic respiration after glycolysis is called. Option is restoration, fermentation, multiplication, fragmentation. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन आफ्टर ग्लाइकोलाइसिस इज कॉल्ड फर्मेंटेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 53. द ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर बिकम्स इक्वल टू द वॉल प्रेशर. The osmotic pressure becomes equal to the wall pressure when option is water leaves the cell, water enters the cell, no exchange of water takes place, solute goes from the cell into water. Option C is correct. No exchange of water takes place. The osmotic pressure becomes equal to the wall pressure when no exchange of water takes place. Next 54. Soil erosion can be prevented by overgrazing, afforestation, removal of vegetation, increasing bird population. Correct option is option B, afforestation. Soil erosion can be prevented by afforestation. Question 55. Which of the following is the most industrially used alga? Eulothrix, Chlorella, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, Chlorella. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Phytotron is a building used for the growth of vegetables, study of causes of earthquake, study of the effect of gravity, growth of plants in controlled condition. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स इन कंट्रोल्ड कंडीशंस. Phytotron is a building used for growth of plants in controlled condition. Question 57. Major cause of air pollution. Air pollution of in big cities. Domestic exhaust, burning of cooking gas, thermal power plant, automobile exhaust. Correct option is option D, automobile exhaust. Next question. An orthotropous ovule is one in which microphyll and chalaza are. Option is at right angles to funicule, parallel to the funicule, in a straight line of funicule, parallel along with ovule. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन ऑफ फ्यूनिकल. an orthoporous ovule is one in which microphyll and chalaza are. Option C is correct, in a straight line of funicule. Next question 59. Helotism is a term used for symbiosis of algae and fungi, pinus and fungi, algae and cycas, algae and bacteria. Option A is correct, algae and fungi. Question 60. Nucellar polyembryony is seen in Giamais, citrus, coconut, dolichos. Option B is correct, citrus. Nucellar polyembryony is seen in citrus. Next question 61. The edible part of mushroom is, option is basidiocarp, tertiary mycelium, primary mycelium, secondary mycelium. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, basidiocarp. The edible part of mushroom is basidiocarp. Next question 62. An X albuminous seeds the food is stored in embryo, nucellus, cotyledons, endosperm. Correct option is option C is correct, cotyledons. Next question 63. Embryo sac is also known as, option is microgametophyte, megagametophyte, माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम, मेगास्पोरेंजियम। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, मेगागेमिटोफाइट। एम्ब्रायो सेक इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मेगागेमिटोफाइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, In Dryopteris, the opening mechanism of sporangium is effectively operated by a stalk, annulus, stomium, peristome। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, annulus। In Dryopteris, the opening mechanism of sporangium is effectively operated by annulus। Next question, in angiosperm, which of the following part is triploid? Option is zygote, endosperm, archegonia, coralloid root। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, एंडोस्पर्म। इन एंजियोस्पर्म which of the following part is triploid? Option B is correct, endosperm। Next question, which of the following depends on man for its cultivation and will vanish without man's help? Option is wheat, maize, rice, potato। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, maize। Which of the following depends on man for its cultivation and will vanish without man's help? Option B, maize। Question 67, compensation point refers to, option is little photosynthesis, beginning of photosynthesis, rate of photosynthesis equals to the rate of respiration, none of the above। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इक्वल्स टू द रेट ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन। compensation point refers to, option C is correct, rate of photosynthesis equals to the rate of respiration। Next question 28, pyrethrin is obtained from 68, question 68, pyrethrin is obtained from, इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, chrysanthemum, option D is correct। 69 question, thallus of ricea is haploid, diploid, triploid, tetraploid। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, haploid। thallus of ricea is, option A is correct, haploid। Next question, which of the following is associated with multiple phenotypes? Option is epistasis, pleiotropy, polygenic inheritance, mutation। Option C is correct, polygenic inheritance। Which of the following is associated with multiple phenotypes? Option C is correct, polygenic inheritance। Next question 71, an angiospermic plant has 24 chromosomes in microspore mother cell. The number of chromosomes in its endosperm will be 12, 24, 36, 48। तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, 36। An angiospermic plant has 24 chromosomes in microspore mother cell. The number of chromosomes in its endosperm will be 36। Next question, biologically most resistant plant material is lignin, cutin, saverin, sporopollenin। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, sporopollenin। biologically most resistant plant material is sporopollenin। in moss capsule the number of peristome holes are, इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, 2। in moss capsule the number of peristome holes are 2। Next question 74, the strength and rigidity of a cell wall is due to, strength and rigidity of cell wall due to suberin, cellulose, lignin, pectin। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, cellulose। द स्ट्रेंथ एंड rigidity of cell wall is due to cellulose। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in which of the following multiciliated enterozoites are present? Option is Riccia, Funaria, Pteris, Cycas, Riccia, Pteris, Marchandia and Riccia. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, Pteris and Cycas. In which of the following multiciliated enterozoites are present? Option B is correct, Pteris and Cycas. तो ये 75 क्वेश्चन था, प्रीवियस ईयर 2012 का क्वेश्चन है, ये B.Pharm में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.